even for a moment. This I may never ever forget. Forget even for a moment. How can this happen? Look at a pregnant woman. A change has taken place in her biology. The change has happened at the gross level. As a result, something has begun to grow deep within. A new life now pulsates deep within. Her each action is now guided by this awareness. This awareness that she is carrying a new life within is not imposed from outside. Had it been so, then she may forget at times. This does not happen at all. Such is awareness. Awareness of a growth within. Awareness of a new life, a new being, pulsating and growing within. This is what Nanak means when he says, Sabna jiya ka ek data, so main bisur na jayi. Sabna jiya ka ek data, so main bisur na jayi. The process begins from the gross, and then it moves slowly and slowly to the subtle. Begin the remembrance consciously. Be aware as the breath comes in, flows the awareness of the message, and with the outgoing breath, the awareness fills the outer environment, and together this process creates grooves in your consciousness. Sabna jiya ka ek data, so main bisur na jayi. The jap becomes a jap. You move from the dimension of doing to non-doing, from action to no action, from mind to no mind. The jap becomes a japa. You move from the dimension of doing to non-doing, from action to no action, from mind to no mind. Only then transcendence can really be possible. Sabna jiya ka ek data, so main bisur na jayi. Sabna jiya ka ek data, so main bisur na jayi. Overflows the ecstatic Nanak. Overflows an ecstatic Nanak. Allow this energy field to sink deep within you. Remain like this for a while, feeling the energy evolving from the deepest core and moving towards the circumference. Allow this movement consciously as it begins to move towards the circumference. Slowly and slowly, gently open your eyes, still remain the same. Remember you had been to the realm of the Master, deep within your being, and from there you have returned, resurrected, reborn, full of ecstasy, full of benediction. सबना जिया का एक दाता, सो मैं बिसर न जाऊं. Only this much for now.
संत जना मिल हर जस गाय, कोट जन्म के दुख गवाए. जो चाहत सोई मन पायो, कर कृपा हर नाम देवाय. सर्व सुख हर नाम वडाय, गुर प्रसाद नानक मत पाए. श्लोक पवन गुरु पाणी पिता, माता धरत महत. देवसरात दाई दाया, खिलै सगल जगत. चंगियाइयां बुरियाइयां, वाचै धर्म हदूर. करमी आपो अपनी, के नेड़े कै दूर. जिनी नाम ते आया, गए मुसकत काल. नानक ते मुख उजले, केती छुटी नाल. जिनी नाम ते आया, गए मुसकत काल. नानक ते मुख उजले, केती छुटी नाल. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।